Hello, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing good. Today, I want to share very important thing with you. Many salespeople do one mistake when they mix the feature and the benefit of a product. What do I mean by that? See, there are three different things. If you are selling something, you are into any profession, you may be selling anything. But when you are selling something, there are three different things. One is the feature, two is the benefit, and three is the benefit to the customer. So, what do you think? What will excite the client to buy the product? Is the feature? No. Benefit? Maybe. But benefit to the customer? Yes. So, being a salespeople, being a salesperson, it is your duty to make him aware of the benefit that he's gonna entertain or he's gonna enjoy after buying your product. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are selling an LED TV. So it is flat, this is a feature. You can see from any angle. This is a benefit. So when you are telling the client, so this is how it would be. You can see from the any angle. So this is the benefit. And what is the benefit of the client? You can turn your drawing room into a hall. This is the benefit to the customer, which he will enjoy. So this is how you have to pattern your talks and the benefit to the client. If you keep telling the features, it will not work. And this is the only reason when people gets less number of conversion and embarrassment comes in. I would like to share the activities. So this is the gyan which I have given to you. This is the knowledge you can think of. You can think of applying it, but how to do it? I'll give you some exercise. I'll give you some handy tips which you can do right away and implement these things into your daily sales talk. So the first part of the exercise is you have to write down all the features of your product. On a sheet of paper, you have to write down all the features. Then you have to, on a different paper or maybe on a different column, you have to write down all the benefits of your products which any client can experience or enjoy after buying your product. 2. Third is you have to write down the pain area of the client. What do I mean by pain area? Pain area means when client is not using your product, what are the challenges he might be facing? You have to write down all the pain area. So you have 3 columns. One is the feature, second is benefit, third is the pain area. So this is about the product and the application of the product. 4th thing and the important thing, you have to write down, this is your task, right? This is not, you will not be sharing this sheet with the client, this sheet with anybody. This is your task, your homework, and you have to prepare it for yourself. The 4th thing, you have to write down why you are the best person to sell this product to the client. Why should he buy from you, not from somebody else? You have to find out those points. It is the price, it is the service, it is your after sale service, what it is. And it should not be general, right? You have to write down those USP which you are creating. It can be anything. It can be the sales experience, it can be your brand name, whatever you think that client would feel as a important point. So these are the 4 exercises I want you to do, and once you do it, I assure you that you will get some clarity what are the sentences you have to put in, because when you are putting the sentence in front of client, you have to pick those words from all four columns. So you will be more creative and you will have more idea which word you have to pick and where. In case you have some questions or query after doing these four columns, not before, after writing down those four columns, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. If you want a personal help, I am there. But this is the exercise I want you to do. So I'll just summarize this video. What you have to do is you have to realize the client, what are the benefits your product will give to the client, and why you are the best person to sell it to the client. So this is, in the nutshell, this is the thing you have to look into. I hope this makes sense. You have any questions, comment below, but you have to write down all those four columns.